I might like to zhuzh up the look of my pivot table, and so what Excel provides is a number of pivot table styles. I've clicked on my pivot table, and from the ribbon I'm going to choose the Pivot Table Tools Design tab. In this tab there's a group called Pivot Table Styles, and I can see a number of styles already showing. As I rest on them, I can see what that would do to the look of my pivot table. But if I'd like to select a different style than those listed, I'll hit the More button. The More button allows me to see a light collection of styles, a medium collection of styles, and with more intense colours there's a dark collection of styles as well. It's quite nice to be able to just roll my mouse over the various options to see what they would look like should I choose them when applied to my pivot table. I'd like to apply a medium style and medium style 25, so I'll click Pivot Style Medium 25.